This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Saturn S series. This happens to be a 1998 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the rear bumper fascia. Now, the first thing we need to do is to remove these three 7mm headed bolts on the forward edge of the bumper. There are 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Now, if the bumper hasn't been off in a while, you want to spray the screws on the back side with a PB blaster. Otherwise, they could break. Okay, we gotta remove these screws. There it is. There's one of them. So we're going to get these 3 and then 3 on the other side. Now next we have to remove these 4 push pins on the bottom of the bumper. Now I can use my panel remover and get right into the center of the pin, and now I can remove it. Now we're going to get 3 more of those out of there. Now on the top right here, there are 7 of these push pins on the top. These are a little bit different. The head comes right up like this, and we can remove them. Now that we have our push pins out, we can pull back on the bumper on this corner, drop it off of those shouldered bolts. Now we go over to the other side, and there'll be identical 2 shouldered bolts over here, and the bumper is actually slotted, so we need to pull it back and then drop it down through the enlarged hole in the top of the bumper. Now that we got it this far, now it's just a matter of grab the bumper and just pull it right off the reinforcement that is behind the bumper right there. And that's it. So that is all there is to removing the bumper fascia on your Saturn S series.